Hi all, and welcome back to Super Easy Math. In this video, we're going to solve this exponential equation, 9 to power 1 over x minus 15 to power 1 over x equal 25 to power 1 over x. Pause the video if you want to give it a try, and now let's go ahead into solution. So first, we will divide this equation by 25 to power 1 over x, both the left and the right hand side. So the equation becomes like that. But we know that a to power x over b to power x is equal to a over b all to power x. So if you apply this rule here, we will get 9 over 25 to power 1 over x minus 15 over 25 to power 1 over x equal to 1. Now 9 over 25 is equal to 3 square over 5 square equal to 3 over 5 all square, and 15 over 25, if we divide by 5, we will get 3 over 5. So the equation become 9 over 25 is 3 over 5 square, and here we have 1 over x, so bracket 1 over x minus 15 over 25, so 3 over 5 to power 1 over x equal to 1. And now we can switch between powers, so we can write it as 3 over 5 to power 1 over x all to power square minus 3 over 5 to power 1 over x equal to 1. Now if you notice, on the left hand side we have something in common, which is 3 over 5 to power 1 over x. So what we'll do is use the substitution u equal to 3 over 5 to power 1 over x. So the equation become u square minus u equal to 1. If we bring 1 to the other side, so we will get u square minus u minus 1 equal to 0. Now it's a quadratic equation. To solve it, we need to find the discriminant delta. So delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Here a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, and c equal minus 1. So we will get minus 1 square minus 4 times ac, so 1 times minus 1 equal to 1 plus 4, 5. So now u equal to minus b plus or minus radical delta over 2a equal to 1 plus or minus radical 5 over 2. But if you notice, u is equal to 3 over 5 to power 1 over x. So whatever the value of x was, u will be greater than 0. So here we have only one accepted solution, which is u equal to 1 plus radical 5 over 2. Because it's the only solution greater than 0. 1 minus radical 5 over 2 is smaller than 0. So u equal to 1 plus radical 5 over 2, and we know that u is equal to 3 over 5 to power 1 over x. So we have 3 over 5 to power 1 over x equal to 1 plus radical 5 over 2. And now we can use natural log, so log of 3 over 5 to power 1 over x equal to log of 1 plus radical 5 over 2. So we will get 1 over x log 3 over 5 equal log 1 plus radical 5 over 2. Now if you divide both sides by log 3 over 5, so 1 over x equal to log 1 plus radical 5 over 2 over log 3 over 5. So x will be the reciprocal of this one, so x equal to log 3 over 5 over log 1 plus radical 5 over 2. Thanks for watching, goodbye.